Yeah, what's... I think I got this one.
Let's see it.
It's loud, it sounds great.
Let's see it.
All right. Let's see.
Hold on, let me get a close start.
Here we go.
Here comes Rev Battle.
Dude, I'm gonna die. This is gonna be fucking loud, man. Sorry.
I'll start it.
One more! Hold on.
Tesla.
Yeah, he fixed it.
Go. Lamborghini!
Who won?
Lamborghini!
I really like the way yours sounded, but I was not outside when this one was revving.
Oh, guys, be
Oh,
careful.
it's a female! Careful!
Got a white one.
Yeah, of course. Oh, no. How was that? Aston. I am so sorry, Strap.
Lamborghini!
Hey, at least this is what we're gonna take. This is what you can take with you. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Lamborghini!
Boom! That's why Lambo owners are the fucking best. They really are. They really are. Oh, that'd be fucked up. That'd be fucked up. Oh, there you see ourselves like pure shit. Oh, guys, by the way, thank you everyone for coming so fucking much. I would have never in my life expected more than 12 people to show up to this. So thank you. It makes me so fucking happy to see you guys. Thank you. This is a blessing for you. Thank you guys. All right, I'm gonna strip now for every. Now we're leaving. No.
All right.
I think I should probably eat my burrito now. 1 second. I'll be right outside before I get murdered.
That's what she said?
Yeah.